Hey there, my name is Ngozi. Today I'm sharing a very simple yet very delicious summer smoothie recipe. No matter what ingredients you use, it's best if they are very fresh and at the peak of their season. Today I'm using blueberry, yellow peach, fresh mint, and some yogurt. I decided to pick off all the stems and check for any battered blueberries, as they might taste a little more sour or bitter than I would like. For the peach, all you need to do is separate the flesh from the pit. Depending on the speed of your blender, you might need to break this up into smaller pieces. It has a beautiful color. If you don't like peaches, try adding in strawberry, banana, or avocado. When you're the one making the smoothie for everyone, you get all the preview bites of everything. While it's delicious, sometimes that makes me take a little bit longer with the preparation. But anyway, add everything into the blender, and then you get to nibble on the pit. When you're using fresh mint or any fresh herbs, check carefully for any bugs, dead or alive, or any little eggs like I found here. I didn't want those on my smoothie, so I took that out. I picked about 3 or 4 mint stalks, separated the leaves from the stalks after rinsing everything carefully. You can leave the stalks in, but sometimes they're bitter. I'm using linden blossom honey, which I also got from my farmer's market. I've never tried linden blossom honey, but I must say it's really delicious. It doesn't taste overly sweet or super duper floral like some types of honey can. If you don't like honey, go for agave, maple syrup, beet sugar, coconut sugar, or whatever sweetener you like to use. This yogurt is also from my local market and is very light and fresh. It's not thick and heavy like Greek yogurt is, so you can basically just pour it out. I made this smoothie for 3 people and I used about 1 cup. I love vanilla, so I added in a splash of vanilla extract and a couple of squirts of lemon juice. I love adding ice to my smoothies because once you blend everything up, it's like a very healthy 7-Eleven slushie. Typically, I would add in coconut milk powder, but I'm all out, so I just went for water. Blend everything on high until all the blueberries are broken up. They take the longest to break down out of everything in this smoothie. In a very high-speed blender, I suggest blending for up to 1 minute. If you blend longer than that, your ice will no longer be icy. I recommend tasting every drink you make before you serve it to others, just in case something is too sweet or too sour, but in this case, it was pretty much perfect. These glass containers lying around, which were a perfect match for the size of my glass, and allowed me to cover them and store them in the fridge. I decided to start uploading on YouTube 12 years after I made my account. That's right, I've been lurking here, behind the scenes on YouTube, watching all these videos and subscribed to hundreds of channels over the years. I finally decided to start making my own content, and here we are. If you like this video, and would like to see more videos, please subscribe. My next video is documenting my exciting adventure in a hot air balloon ride. Until we meet again, create, inspire, elevate.